today's question is from the chapter Geometric Progression. The question is, the sum of first three terms of a geometric progression is 26 by 3 and their product is 8. Find the progression. So the question says there are three terms of a GP. So we'll consider, let the three terms be A by R, A, AR. These are the three terms of the GP. So by the problem. What is said? The sum of these terms is 26 by 3. So A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 26 by 3. So I can take A common. 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 26 by 3. Therefore, A into R is the LCM. You get 1 plus R square is equal to 26 by 3. So we kept it here. We'll go with another result that is given. They have told the product is 8. So A by R into A into AR, that is equals to 8. So this RR cancels. So you get A cube is equal to 8. That means A cube is equal to 2 cube. 8 can be written as, so we get A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. This value of A I will substitute here. So we get 2 into 1 plus R square, and this R is getting crossed this side. So it will become 26R by 3. So we'll cross it here. This will become 3 into 2, that is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into R is 6R plus 6R square is equal to 26R. So this is equals to 6R square. We'll bring this side. 6R minus 26R, that will give you minus 20R plus 6 equal to 0. So if we cancel by 3, this becomes, cancel by 3, this becomes 3R square minus 10R plus 3 equal to 0. If you go for middle term, 3R square minus 9R minus R plus 3 equal to 0. So 3R common, get R minus 3 minus 1 common, R plus 3 equal to 0. So if we come here after this, so we get R plus 3 into 3R minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, either R plus 3 equal to 0, which means R is equal to minus 3, or 3R minus 1 equal to 0, which implies R is equal to 1 by 3. Hence, if you substitute the GP, hence if we substitute these values here in place of A and R, we got the value of A as 2, we got the value of R as 3 and 1 by 3. If we substitute, so we get A is 2, R if I put 1 by 3, so it will get reverse, so it will become 6, A is 2, and AR is this to this, so this will become 2 by 3, so on. This is our required GP. Hope you have followed this thing, and you must note that how I have chosen the three terms of the GP. Now I'll give you a similar question for you to try and leave your answer in the comment.